Okay, enemy chopper, 12 o'clock.
Yeah, I see him. Take him out, buddy.
All right, locking on. Ah, shit, he's locking on too. Firing missile 1. Shit, here comes 1. Flare off.
Hey, noob.
Yeah.
Hey, we need somebody with a stinger to help us out. This chopper's on us.
I can't do it, man. I'm in the middle of something.
C4 is placed.
Second missile off.
What the fuck is he doing?
Fuck him. Oh, shit, we're hit.
Don't worry about it. I'll repair.
All right, missile 2 off. Switching to guns.
Yeah! Nice, man. Just keep her steady. I'll keep repairing.
All right, keeping her steady. Oh, shit, attack chopper.
What?
Oh, no, I'm dead. I'm dead. No way.
Got room for one more,
How did... Yeah, but you don't want to be here. We're going down.
and we're out of bounds. Steer this bird back towards the battlefield.
Okay, I don't think we're going to make it, but I'll try. Oh, shit, we're already at 30%. 20, 15...
Okay, let's bail.
Hey, what's going on?
Bail!
Bail!
Okay, guys, just run.
We're never gonna make that.
Oh, he's right.
Calm down, boys, and just run your asses off.
We're running.
Oh, no, there's no way.
No.
Oh, we're dead.
I am battlefield.
Oh, what happened?
We were out of bounds. We died.
We're not out of the clear yet.